So OnePlus 13 to OnePlus 15, what was improved and what was not, and what was kind of decreased. So we'll start with the display. Even though the OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 15 comes with almost similar sized displays, there is a major difference between these two displays. The OnePlus 13 comes with a Quad HD Plus resolution, basically a 2K resolution display. The OnePlus 15 was decreased to 1.5K. This is to accommodate the 165 Hz refresh rate which was included in the OnePlus 15 compared to 120 Hz refresh rate in the OnePlus 13. So basically, the OnePlus 13 comes with a 2K resolution display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 15 comes with a 1.5K resolution display with the 165 Hz refresh rate. They have decreased the resolution to include the 165 Hz refresh rate, which is only possible in the 1.5K resolution only, according to the OnePlus says. So I feel that we can't feel that much difference between 165 to 120 Hz refresh rate. You can only feel the difference between these two in gaming, in intense gaming, I would say. So that's up to the display. When we talk about the processor, obviously there is a change in the processor compared to OnePlus 13 to OnePlus 15. The OnePlus 13 comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is a performance beast of the older generation, like the previous year. The OnePlus 15 comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is a slightly overclocked version of the 8 Elite, which is older generation's flagship. So there is a difference between these two mobiles and also these two mobiles processors. When we talk about the memory variant, the OnePlus 13 comes with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage capacity, but the OnePlus 15, the higher variant, the 16GB RAM and 1TB internal storage variant, comes with the the UFS 4.1 storage capacity, but it has LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM time. Yeah, that's the one. So that's a small upgrade. When we talk about the cameras, I would say there is no difference between these two cameras compared to the megapixel wise, because these three comes with these two mobiles comes with almost same 50 megapixels of cameras, three cameras, but the main sensor in OnePlus 15 was decreased to 1.45 aperture, 1.4 aperture compared to the 1.56 aperture camera in OnePlus 13, the main wide angle camera. And also there is a huge degrade in the camera section compared to the OnePlus 13. The OnePlus 13 comes with a Hasselblad partnership, which means we can get a lot of customizations and some the features of Hasselblad included in the OnePlus 13. But the OnePlus 15 was not coming with any Hasselblad partnership because they were revoked from the partnership. So they have introduced something called as but I would say it's a degrade from the camera. And there is also slight improvement in the telephoto lens, that is we can shoot up to 3.5x optical zoom compared to the OnePlus 13's 3x optical zoom. So it's a small upgrade, I would say. And yeah, obviously we can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS in the both cameras. And we can also say that there is a huge improvement in the battery section. Yes, the OnePlus 13 comes with a 6000 mAh of battery, where the OnePlus 15 comes with a huge 7300 mAh of battery. And there is also a difference in the charging speed. The OnePlus 13 comes with 100 watts of fast charge through wire, and the OnePlus 15 supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire. Obviously the wireless charging in both mobiles are same, and reverse wireless charging also same. When we talk about the charging speeds, I would say that bigger battery, right? So I would say that's an improvement. And there is also slightly improvement in the mobile form factor also. The OnePlus 13 comes with a the leather back in the back side, especially in the blue color variant. The OnePlus 15 comes with the matte coated finish in the back side instead of the leather, and it also comes with a slightly rounded corners, and it does not comes with any curved display. Quad curved display is the one which comes in OnePlus 13, which was removed in OnePlus 15. Right now it is a completely flat display, which was introduced in terms of gaming perspective, the gamers who wants a mobile with no curves, right? So that's the improvement, I would say, in the battery section and also in slightly in the display section. There is slight improvement in the the mobile itself according when it comes to the signal reception. They have introduced a Wi-Fi chip, separate Wi-Fi chip, to increase the signal reception while you are gaming. So when we play the game, to maintain the continuous ping while we are gaming, they have introduced a new chip for the Wi-Fi, that is called Wi-Fi separate Wi-Fi chip. And there is a decrement in the mobile compared to the OnePlus 13, that is the vibration motor, which was slightly decreased from the OnePlus 13 compared to the OnePlus 13 in this OnePlus 15. When I see the lot of reviews and all, they have feel that the vibration motor is a slightly the decreased. And also there is an improvement in the cooling system. They have introduced a larger vapor chamber to cool this the mobile. And also there is a slight improvement in the connectivity, that the OnePlus 13 comes with the Wi-Fi 7, obviously tri-band Wi-Fi support, and Bluetooth 5.4, which was improved in OnePlus 15. It is now Bluetooth 6.0. And also there is a slight improvement in the durability of this mobile, and also sustainability of this mobile also. That OnePlus 13 comes with IP68, 69 water resistant, but this OnePlus 15 also comes with the IP69K, which survives blasts of blast means when we can put the mobile under hose, very strong force of the water also we can put this mobile, it can survive. Yes, that's the improvement. And also there are a lot of features included in the mobile of OnePlus 15 which supports gamers to do the better gaming, like the IQOO mobiles gets their own mobile ecosystem, right? So gaming ecosystem, right? So like that they have introduced a lot of gaming features including the mobile itself. So these are improvements of this mobile and some of decrements of the OnePlus 15 compared to the OnePlus 13. So if you are planning to buy, obviously there is also one more thing which is improved, that is the price. Obviously the OnePlus 13 right now it is available at I think 62,000 rupees, but the OnePlus 15 has gone up to 73,000 rupees. So it's like a 11 to 10,000 rupees difference based on the varying prices day by day. So I would say that if you already have OnePlus, I don't say you can buy OnePlus 13 only, you can buy OnePlus 15 only, because I personally don't use them. But this is my opinion about these two mobiles. It all comes to your personal preference, but if you are planning to buy any mobile for gaming but to watch them, you have to subscribe and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon and give a like to this mobile video. If you like this video, hit the. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.